As the probe in the Pune Porsche horror intensifies, the police have now arrested the grandfather of the minor accused, and another case has been slapped against the father and the grandfather. The grandfather has been arrested for wrongful confinement of the family's driver after a complaint was filed by the driver himself. As per the Pune Police Commissioner, the driver was being threatened by the grandfather of the minor accused and was kept locked in his house. Not just this, the driver was told to take the blame on himself in exchange for a big sum of money.
इस मैटर में जब पहले दिन एक्सीडेंट हुआ था तो ड्राइवर पे को आमिष शुरुआत में रात में दिखाया गया था कि उसको बख्शीश दी जाएगी, उसको रिवॉर्ड किया जाएगा, उसको पैसे दिए जाएंगे, उसको मुंह मांगा रकम दिया जाएगा। वो खुद गाड़ी चला रहा था, ऐसा प्रकार का बयान वो पुलिस स्टेशन में दे। इस तरह की उसको दबाव टेलीफोनिकली और उसके बाद प्रत्यक्ष लोगों ने आके इसको दिया था।
Now, in a statement issued by the driver, he has claimed that he was threatened by the father-son duo. His phone was snatched away and he was kept locked away in the family's bungalow. Remember, the accused father, along with 5 others, are already in judicial custody till the 7th of June, while the teenager has been sent to an observation home till the 5th of June.
Entire incident and the registration of one more FIR only confirms the news break of Times Network that at the initial level there were serious lapses. In fact, we were the first to report that the driver gave the statement on the initial day of the incident that he was driving the car. So, the entire theory that we put forward that the Agarwal family wanted to plant the driver instead of the minor accused who was driving at that day, which when he took precious 2 lives of the victims. And now, after the interrogation, how the Agarwal family, in fact, the Commissioner of Police rightly pointed out that first he was told that you do this thing, then after he did, then he was taken into the car and to the bungalow. He was kept there for 2 days, and after his wife and family members came to the bungalow to inquire about him, finally he was let off.
Meanwhile, on reports of the juvenile being served pizza after the incident, which even led to the suspension of 2 cops, my colleague Rakesh spoke with a constable at the Yerwada police station who tried to evade the question and neither accepted nor denied the incident. Listen in.
पिज्जा और बर्गर किसने दिया था, जगदाले साहब ने कि तोड़करी साहब ने?
आप कहाँ से बात कर रहे हैं?
मैं स्पेशल इन्वेस्टिगेशन टीम टाइम्स नाउ।
हाँ?
मैं SIT से बोल रहा हूँ, टाइम्स नाउ के।
अच्छा, आप कहाँ पे हैं अभी?
अभी मैं यहाँ पे हूँ शिवाजी नगर में।
आप इधर आइए, और जो आपको जो मालूमात बनाए ना,
हाँ,
वहाँ हमारे साहब को मिलो, वहाँ पे सबको मिल जाएगा।
आप कहाँ पे से कभी?
येरोडा पुलिस स्टेशन।
तो लेकिन उस दिन रात को मुझे वो जानना था, वो सही बात है क्या, वो जगदाले साहब ने दिया था कि तोड़करी साहब ने पिज्जा और बर्गर?
इधर आइए, हम बात करिए साहब से, सीनियर साहब से मिले इधर।
हाँ, लेकिन आप थे ना उस दिन रात को, आपने स्टेटमेंट रिकॉर्ड किया था ना? हाँ गोविंद जी।